Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you my design of FlameFrags's remote activation dog machine. Have you ever wondered how FlameFrags from the Unstable SMP summons his hordes of dogs? Well, today you're gonna find out. With this tutorial, you'll be able to summon in hordes of dogs with a flick of a fishing rod. So watch until the end to figure out how to do it. For this farm, you need to enable chunk borders by pressing F3 and G at the same time. Now, build the base of this contraption like I do. 11 by 5. Now fill this in. Right here, place 3 magma blocks. Build up the walls 2 blocks tall. Now, place 3 dispensers here, and fill them with water buckets. Now, place 3 blocks above these dispensers. Now, place a redstone torch here, a pressure plate here, and 5 blocks going across. And 3 blocks here, and now place 5 redstone dust along the top. If you built this correctly, the water should go now. Now, step on the pressure plate to deactivate the water. Now we're gonna dig down 6 blocks at this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna replace the last block with soul sand. Now, fill this up with water. If you've done this correctly, you should be bulbed up at the top. Congratulations, you have completed the first part of this farm. To build the second part of this farm, you will need to build a portal right here. Now throw an ender pearl here. Okay, now it's time to add the wolves to the farm. In survival mode, you get 2 wolves in here and breed them up, but since I'm in creative, I'll be spawning them in. Once you think you have enough dogs in here, you can put wolf armor on them, and you can put a potion on them if you would like to. Now, use a fishing rod right here. Go through the portal. And now, move about 100 blocks in the nether away from this portal. This is where you're going to want to build your other portal. Now, we can test the use of this build by using the fishing rod. If you built the farm correctly, you should see your wolves teleporting in. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please consider leaving a like, comment, or maybe even subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Goodbye.